Hello, I'm Alex from Sembly AI, and today I'll show you how to push tasks, meeting notes or transcriptions from Sembly to Capsule CRM. First of all, you'll need to create your account in Capsule CRM. After that, we go to Sembly, click to My Automations and browse all apps. Find Capsule CRM here. Now we need to connect Sembly with Capsule CRM, so click to connect. When our account connected, we can create automation. Click to New Automation. Here we have three windows. In the first one, we need to choose data type. In our case, I'll show you how to push meeting notes. And click Done. In the filter, I'll apply to all meetings that I have access to. Click Done, and I'll rename meeting notes. Complete. After you set up your automation, all tasks, meeting notes and transcriptions that were detected in the meeting will be automatically sent to Capsule CRM. But you can do it manually, and now I'll show you how to do this. We go to My Meetings and choose our meeting, this one for example. Click to Flash and use our automation. Now we go to our CRM. We have the account here, and in history we will have meeting notes from our meeting. Also we have link to our meeting. The same we can do with transcriptions and tasks.